vez. Te adelanto, no me importa quién soy. Dígame usted si ha hecho algo travieso alguna vez. Una aventura es más divertida si huele a peligro. Aquí me encuentro sentado, no me dónde va, sin dolor en mi alma, solo quiero llorar, no quiero que me moleste, yo solo quiero tomar, voy a jugar, porque por ti.
Detective Hill, I know you said it took a lot of courage to be able to get out here and dance. And especially as it relates to the wardrobe too. Tell us, how do you feel?
I feel great. I'm glad that the energy in here is hyped up. Couldn't have done it without this young lady right here, man. Without the support from Dr. McCain and State Attorney Aciela Brave Boy, you, Mr. Carter, and a lot of other folks that encourage me every day to go out and practice and put in the hard work while working domestic violence cases, because I'm at the Family Justice Center as the domestic violence coordinator. So it's very important to come out here and donate and to do this for the right cause. Being a partner at the Family Justice Center for these past 2 years has been quite the experience. I started off as a young detective working in sexual assaults for 7 years, and I worked many years in homicide. And I took a break thinking I was going to domestic violence. And going over to domestic violence has been not only just an eye-opener, but being from Suitland, and I have some folks in the back that I grew up with, and Sheriff John Carver also grew up with, coming from PG County. I've become more of an advocate than I've become a detective. So just that aspect alone, working these cases is not easy. But as a detective, at a certain point, just like Ms. Brayboy said, we try to get proper prosecution, and after the prosecution is done, then afterwards we kind of cut off. But now we're doing the extra stuff by keeping up with our survivors and providing the right resources for them. That's all we do. Please vote for your boys. I worked hard, and it wasn't easy getting this shirt.
Let's give them another round of applause. Now we'll hear from the judges.